Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Bauble. So this is a brand new company. They haven't even launched their website yet. It is active, and I'll leave the link below, but you cannot snoop around yet because they haven't launched it. But they found me on YouTube from my bath bomb reveals, and they wanted to send me some bath bombs to see what I thought about them. So that's super nice. Thank you, Linda. And it does smell really good, but I haven't peeked in here yet. And I will be doing individual reveals for all of these products. So with this company, you do have an option for rings, pendants, or earrings. And they come in these little boxes. How cute. So this one is Raspberry Fizz, handcrafted with love in California. So they have some tissue paper, and then they are cellophane wrapped, so that's nice and protected. That one smells really good. And I don't know if they're marked what's in them. Let's see. This one has a pendant. This one is Very Berry Mimosa. And that one has a ring in it. Ooh. Oh, that looks like cotton candy. Love it. Blue and pink. And these are real solid, heavy, big bath bombs. So I like that. Sometimes you get bath bombs that are a little soft, but those are solid. This one says Midnight Sapphire. And it contains a ring as well. Ooh, it's a nice grayish color with some silver glitter on top. Next up we have Spring Bloom. This one has a pendant in it. Mainly white, with a little bit of pink. Nice floral scent. There are some flowers that I like the smell of, and that one actually smells really good. I'm more of a fruity scented person. French Vanilla Lavender. I bet that one smells really good. That one has a ring in it. Yep, smells really good. So mainly white, but there is some really pale purples in there. Very cute. And the last one. This one says Cosmic Crush, and it has a pendant in it. Ooh, that might be my favorite colored one next to the cotton candy looking one. So we have like a dark gray or black, pink, purple, different shades of purple. That one's going to be fun. Very cool. So that is all that's in the box. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know which one you want me to demo first, and I will get those videos posted as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.